Guys, this is Joshua, your Property Trends, and right now we are here in South Peak in San Pedro, Laguna, one of the exclusive subdivision here in the area. Yung bahay na nasa likod ko, kung naaalala nyo, is na house tour na natin to before sa ating YouTube channel. And the reason kung bakit i-house tour natin ulit tong bahay na to is meron tayong price adjustment. Meron tayong discount na 5 million. So ang total contract price hanggang September is 40 million pesos. So kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung house tour video ko na to, i-house tour ulit natin tong property na to. So tara, samahan nyo ako. So yung property is corner lot, facing amenities, and may dalawa kayong garahe dito. So this side is your 2-car vehicle, itong gate na to, and meron din dito sa taas. So total of 4-car vehicle kayo dito. So this has a lot area of 450 square meter with a total floor area of 485 square meter. So dito tayo mag-start. Have your pedestrian gate, and pagpasok mo ng gate, guys, this is your grand main entrance, no? Ang ganda, and may mga pin lights pa dito sa baba. Left side is your car parking for 2 full-size SUV, and naka-covered na rin siya. So this side is your walkway papunta sa inyong auxiliary service area and maid's quarter. Five-step elevated papunta sa inyong porch and main entrance. Left side is your landscape garden, and ito yung covered porch nyo papuntang main door. Tara, pasok tayo. So for your main door, you have your smart lock system and solid wooden door. And then this one is your living area with double height ceiling, floor standing air condition. Right side is your ground floor bedroom with own toilet and bath, and split type aircon is already installed. So this one is your staircase papunta sa second floor, and you have your powder room dito. So on this side is your dining area. Ang ganda. Meron ng kasamang 8-seater dining table set. You have your lighting dito sa inyong table. And this side is your access papunta doon sa second parking nyo. So both side is may access since corner unit itong bahay na to. So yan, naka-landscape garden na rin dito. Baba tayo. Makita natin. So on this side, kasya yung dalawang sasakyan. So total of 4 car garage itong bahay na to. Since corner, both side is meron kayong access. So tara, akyat ulit tayo. Check natin yung kitchen area. So after your dining area, ito naman yung formal kitchen, quartz countertop, and modern modular cabinets. So ang ganda ng pagkaka-finish. You also have your double door fridge dito, and meron pa kayong pantry area dito sa side. This one is your auxiliary kitchen. You also have your gas range, range hood, sink. Meron ditong bedroom for your helper or maids. So this one is your access papunta dito sa inyong service area or back up your property, and may access din papunta sa inyong car garage. So yun lang para dito sa ground floor. Check naman natin yung taas. Nandun yung mga rooms. Tara, check natin. So going up dito sa second floor, yung staircase nyo, meron kayong view dito ng Laguna de Bay and naka-high ceiling na rin siya. So you have your generous amount of space dito sa inyong family area bago pumasok ng mga rooms. And also, meron din kayong view dito ng inyong living area with your double height ceiling and your chandelier. And check muna natin tong unang bedroom dito. Yan. For the bedroom dito is facing dun sa tapat ng bahay. You have your ceiling fan. You have your large window dito for proper ventilation. Naka-install na rin yung split type AC dito. And you also have your own toilet and bath dito sa bedroom number 1. Tara, dito muna tayo. On this side naman is your balcony. So, ganito siya kalaki ang facing itong front yard garden nyo and yung tapat ng bahay nyo. So, ang ganda rin, naka-stone cladding na rin kayo dito na design sa inyong mga walls. For the whole second floor, may naka-install na ring split type AC dito. Right side is your bedroom number 2 with toilet and bath, and naka-install na rin yung split type AC dito. Modular cabinet nandito na rin, and you also have toilet and bath dito sa bedroom number 2. For the third bedroom, so ganito kalaking space niya. Kasya dito yung mga queen size bed, may ceiling fan, pin lights, split type AC, and built-in cabinet, floor to ceiling yung height niya. And then you also have your own toilet and bath dito with shower enclosure, floating vanity sink, and toilet and bath. Check naman natin yung master's bedroom. Tara. Then, for the master's bedroom, pagpasok mo ng pinto, nandito yung walk-in closet, and you have your double sink dito, floating vanity, medicine cabinets, and shower enclosure na glass door. Main bedroom dito, dito yung placing ng queen size bed. You also have your large modular cabinet dito, split type AC, and ceiling fan dito with pin lightings. Balcony dito sa master's bedroom, no? So kung nakikita nyo sa video, ganito pa siya kaluwag. And ang maganda dito is elevated yung subdivision. Meron kayong overlooking ng Laguna de Bay. And imagine ganito kagandang view everyday yung makikita nyo kapag kayo na yung nakatira dito sa bahay na to. So baba muna tayo saglit, mag-quick recap tayo. Tara! So that's it for our very quick house tour for this modern house and lot here in South Peak, San Pedro, Laguna. So kung nagustuhan nyo tong property na to, you may contact me sa mga number posted in the screen, and I also have Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa mga kabayan natin na working abroad. And huwag kalimutan mag-follow sa aking Facebook page, TikTok account, and Instagram. Also, mag-subscribe na kayo sa aking YouTube channel, hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong property dito sa South. So again, quick recap tayo. This property has a lot area of 450 square meter and a total developed area of 485 square meter. This has 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath, and a total of 4 car garage. So, selling this property for 40 million pesos for a limited time only. Again, this is Joshua, your Property Trends, and thank you for watching.